famous education channel to watch more videos on template engine using PUG. We have seen a lot of videos on template using EJS, and we have also seen a simple video on PUG. Today's video is all about creating login page with ExpressJS plus PUG. So let us go through the program in detail. First of all, we will go to the roots directory. In that we will see two files, that is, one is index.js homepage. When the program will execute, homepage will be displayed, and loading the drivers, and for root finding the index file, that is root, and module export, in the sense we need to link this file to another different files. That's why. Next we will see users.js. In that we will be finding the path of controller, that is authenticate user, then respond to the resource, that is home page, then login. After that, login page will be displayed. It will ask for username and password, and if there is error, then it will flash an error. And since also we are written module export router, since we have to link this file to different files, here express router is defined. Now we will link to public directory. We will go to public directory. In that we will see CSS file, that is style.css. Here is the designing part, CSS. Now we will go to the controller directory. In that we will see authenticate user, that is VIM. Here username is sam@gmail.com and password is sam123. This is for authentication, for your login and password. Now we will go to our main part, that is PUG file. In that we will go to the views directory. 4 files are there. First of all, we will see home page file, that is index. This is the home page file. Enter sign up, then this part button, submit button, then with email address we have seen. In that authenticate sam@gmail.com and password is, that's part. It is for index page. Now we will see layout page, layout part. So the web page, how it looks on the browser, the web page username and password, email ID and password is coming at the center in the Mozilla Firefox. Now we will see user.pug. In that username will be displayed when the user logins, and welcome will be the message to the username form sign up after signing the form. These files are very critical, PUG files, but the look is very beautiful look is there. Now we will go to our main JavaScript file, that is Node.js file, app.js. Loading the drivers needed for the program, then finding the index home page on the users part for the user to log in. Then app express lightweight framework by Node.js. Then body parser, we need to move from one page to another page. Then views engine is need to be loaded for the PUG part. Then URL encoded, we need to pass the URL through the browser. Then first of all, home page will be displayed, redirecting home page, and then users login, then error, and at the last running the port on 4000. Server is running on port number 4000. Now I will execute the program. Yes, server has been started. Now we will see. Yes, user and password is displayed at the center. So how the look and feel of the PUG file is very interesting and very we can say drastic change for normal HTML file and then EJS file. Sam email ID, we have seen that authenticate file, sam@gmail.com. we have seen in authenticate folder, in that controller we have seen that. Save me. Yes, welcome sam@gmail.com. And if I try another mail ID, or if there is a validation performed, if I write here only Sam and not password, then it will prompt yes Sam and Sam password is correct, but since it is not allowing login because email ID is not there, please enter the email address. It is asking please enter the email address. Now sam@gmail.com. Now I will not set the password, then please enter the field. So these validations are performed. Then save. So I have successfully done with login page using ExpressJS plus PUG. If you like this video, please share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and back with more innovative videos, creative videos for on PUG, template engine, then EJS template engine, Node.js, MongoDB, session handling. Thanks for watching.